myself and Ashley done the A&R course back in 2014, 2015. And for myself and Ashley, we both took huge amounts of knowledge away from the course, and we were able to feed all that into our business. And we've seen massive rewards within our business from everything we learned on the programme. So having that value between myself and Ashley, we thought it was really important to be able to have the staff that we've got within the business that are growing and developing and moving up the ladder in their career, to go on the same course and come back with more knowledge and more experience that they can then help the business to grow. We put Chloe through the programme, and it's her graduation today. So Chloe, do you want to...
First off, I'd like to say, obviously, thank you to these guys for putting me on the programme. It's been a great advantage for myself to learn and develop. I've always thought like being young, being 22 and trying to manage some people who've had more experience and older than me would be a barrier, but these guys in the course have taught me that that isn't a barrier for myself, and that I can keep growing and learning and do the best that I can, and the course has definitely helped with that.